Hi beautiful people across the globe. I wish that you all are fine and I'm very happy always for your great life, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, and also I welcome you on behalf of our company FESGI Consultants and Education Services. Here we always help international students to secure their admission the best universities around the world, and also we help for the accommodation for the jobs as well. So if you choose us and approach us, then you can keep aside all your tensions, all your worries, all your questions, simply because we will take care of everything. So these are the numbers. You can call us or WhatsApp us anytime. Once we receive your call and message, then we get back to you and we make sure that you don't face any problem, because we are here at your disposal all the time to make sure whatever plans you have, you can achieve all your plans and you can fulfill all your dreams. And today's video is all about helping you to prepare your education documents for the purpose of applying to German universities. Well, whenever you decide to study your bachelor degree and master's degree in Germany, then you have to know what documents precisely you have to prepare to send to your university in Germany or to upload online. Well, there's one specific term which is known as certified true copies of your education documents, which is used by most of the German universities, and trust me, this creates a huge confusion in the minds of the international students, and international students are always gobsmacked after reading this requirement. And I have been asked by so many students to please make a special video to explain and make clear this requirement, and that is the reason I'm making this video especially for all of you. So now don't worry, I shall unravel this whole story in simple language so that you can easily understand. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Well, we know that Germany is the best country to acquire this world-class education with zero tuition fees, and international students are in love with Germany. They want to be part of this big, beautiful and powerful country for their great life. But nothing is easy. You really have to make sure that you're taking right steps forward to succeed in your planning. So whenever you decide to study in German universities for your chosen program, then you have to make sure that you're preparing all the required documents which must be notarized by legal authority in your country. So the big question is, who is this legal authority which is recognized by German universities who can certify or notarize your education documents so that German universities will not have any problem accepting your all education documents? So I will explain you everything in detail, so please pay attention carefully. So the lawyer is the legal authority to notarize your education documents which is acceptable by German universities. Well, we all live in different countries, so wherever you live in any part of your country, you must be having legal courts where legal cases are being taken care of. So what you can simply do is that you can visit any court nearby your place, and there you will find a lot of lawyers in the court premises, and you can simply visit any lawyer and you can explain your whole story that I'm a student and I have to go to abroad Germany to study my degree program. So after understanding your whole story, the lawyer may ask you to produce your documents, photocopy documents and the original documents. Just make sure that if you don't have original documents, no lawyer will notarize your documents, because lawyer has to confirm himself that your all documents belong to you. You are not fake person, your documents are original. So after lawyer satisfaction, the lawyer will definitely notarize your all education documents. And also keep in mind that this notarization service is not free. You really have to pay money for that. So each document notarization you have to pay maybe 10 rupees or 20 rupees. I'm talking about India, but you live in different countries, so maybe you have to pay $1 for each document's notarization or €1. It depends upon in which country you are living into. So now this is the process to notarize your documents. So what you can do, the next step is that now you come back to your home, you have to scan all your notarized documents and you have to upload online to your university's website. And also, in case if your university wants that you must send all your notarized documents via post, then also you can do that. So that's how you can simply notarize all your documents, and this is the whole story. And finally, your university will trust you that your all education documents are bona fide and not fake, because this is the whole story to certify your all education documents, to win the confidence of your German universities that your all documents are original, authentic and not fake. So I hope now you have understood how you can certify your education documents before applying to your German universities. And now my purpose is to make sure that you can easily understand with this example the whole story. I told you that what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the same thing. You need to certify your documents and it should look like the same, because I told you that we are a consultant and we notarize the documents of our students because we send a lot of students to Germany. So we know the whole process. That's why I want to just enlighten everybody, all the students. If you are planning to apply to German universities, then make sure that you notarize your document and it should look like the same. Like here you can find the stamp, the signature, the tested true copy, and here's the date, and here is the name of the lawyer. So make sure whenever you notarize your documents, it should look like the same, and then you can send your documents, the same notarized documents, to your universities, and they will easily accept, and that will show to them that your documents are not fake. All these documents are bona fide. So this is the best example I can show you. And now it is time for my advice. Well, admission in German universities is not a piece of cake that you can simply cut and put inside your mouth. On the contrary, it is very, very tough and competitive, because your one missing certified document can destroy your chances to get admission in German universities. So eventually you will be sad and remorseful for not being attentive to fulfill the education requirements. So I will request you that please pay heed to each document they ask you to submit with legal certification. So certified true copies are very imperative for your admission in German universities. So please make sure that you follow my video, follow my advice, and that's how you can secure your seat in your chosen university, German university, for your great future. So please follow my advice. And now if you want that we should help you for your admission in the best German universities for your great future, then you can simply contact us via call or WhatsApp on our given numbers, and we will be very, very happy always to help you to secure your admission in the best German universities for your great future. And also we can help you for jobs, for visa, for scholarships, for accommodation, for blocked account, for health insurance, for notarization of your education documents. I think we can help you in every matter with regards to Germany. You just need to contact us and we are here to help you all the time. And now finally, I believe that you have understood everything what I talked about in this video. And still, if you have many questions in your mind, then you're welcome to ask me anything and I'll be very, very happy to respond to you. And also you can write in the comment box. I always read your comments and I make sure that I can help you in every possible way. And also please, if you believe that this video is very good and informative for you, then as always I request you, please like, share, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, press the bell icon button to make sure that you get the notification whenever we upload a new video, so that you should be the first person to watch that video, and we will be very, very happy for your support. Thank you so much always for your precious time. Best of luck, take care, and I look forward to seeing you in Germany. Cheers, auf Wiedersehen.